introduce you guys to another shop that I support. This is a friend of mine who manages and runs this. He's the creator. His name's Logan, and my friend Trey, I think, does all the design. But it's all Mischief. Please give these guys a check out. Their clothing's amazing, fits well, and you're supporting yet another local company that supports the racing community and industry. It's all Mischief. Please give them a like and follow on Instagram. I'll put a link to their Instagram channels and a link to their t-shirts and other products. Thank you guys. Please give them a follow, and I'd appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm going to show you guys a deeper dive of what comes with the Whipple Alternator Relocation Kit. It's like it comes with a hose. Did not realize it comes with a hose. I guess this is for the lower radiator. I guess we'll see how that goes. Obviously the pulley crank. This is where your tensioner goes for your alternator. The belt, so if you want to remember this belt from Gates. This would be the mounting hardware for the alternator itself, because this pushes it forward. And of course the bag of bolts, throwing shit. And the instructions, so this is kind of what it'll look like when it's done. So there we go. Any questions, let me know. But that is where I'm at. This is the relocation kit for the alternator.